Like I promised that I'm going to do converting from one base to another. I believe you have watched the other video, which is number base is 1, and it talks about binary number. Now, in this case, we're going to be converting from one base to another. And I've given you a simple step. The first thing is you convert your first base, that is the given base of the number, to base 10. When you're done with base 10, you convert from base 10 to the other base that you need. Remember, I said, first, convert your given base to base 10. And then from base 10, you can now convert it to the base that you need. What this means, example now says, convert 1 to 1 base 3 to base 5. 1 to 1 base 3 to base 5. So it means I'm going to convert base 3 to base 10 and finally to base 5. This is the only way to do it. You have to convert to base 10. Base 10 is like the middleman, whereby let's assume you have an interpreter. Base 10 is the one that is going to interpret what base 5 is saying to the understanding of what base 3 is saying to the understanding of base 5. Base 10 is going to interpret what base 3 is saying to the understanding of base 5. Now let's start. Remember, first, convert base 3 to base 10. First, convert base 3 to base 10. So let's go. The first thing we are going to do, to convert from base 3 to base 10, you're going to do your multiplication. You're going to do your multiplication. What it means is, I'm going to do my 1 times 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 1 times 3. If you are finding this difficult, watch my first video, which is number base. It explains why I'm doing this. But what it means is, because of is base 3, the number at base 3, I'm going to multiply each of this number to base 3. That's 3. So I have 1 times 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 1 times 3. After that, I'm going to raise it to the power. So I'm going to do 0, 1, 2. Okay, I'm done with this. The next thing I'm going to do, 1 times 3 raised to the power of 2. Don't make the mistake of doing 3 times 2. No, that's wrong. What it means is 3 raised to the power of 2 means 3 in 2 places. So 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 1 times 9 plus 2 raised to the power of 1 means 3 in 1 place, which is 3. And finally, 1 times 3 raised to the power of 0. Like I told you in the previous video, any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Any number. Therefore, 3 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Now it's time to multiply. 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. So let's add 9 plus 6 is going to give me 15. 15 plus 1 is going to give me 16. So we have done the first step. The second step is, now we're going to convert 16, which is in base 10, to base 5. Whenever you are converting from base 10 to base 5, you go into the division method, the continuous division method. So we have this 16, 5. 5 divided 16 is going to give me 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. So that's meant that 1. Now 5 divide 3. 5 cannot divide 3. That means it is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. So whenever my answer ends with 0, that is where I'm going to stop. So I'm going to write, this is my starting point, and this is where I'm going to end. What it means, this becomes 31 base 5. Therefore, we have 1, 2, 2, 1 base 3 will give me 16 in base 10, and it moves to 31 base 5. You can also convert 31 base 5 to base 3. You still get the same answer. I'll leave you to do that one. Once you do it, snap and send it to me in the comment section. Let me see you solving and let me see how you're moving with it to be sure that this is actually easy. Remember, there is number base 1. Go through that if you want to know how to convert the binary number. This is binary. This is base 3. 1, 2, 1. It doesn't have 3. So with this, I believe it is well explained. If you need more topics on number base, you can give me a thumbs up. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe this video. See you in the next class. Bye.